Morning everyone. So my topic is all about the fishing grounds in Central Visayas. In Central Visayas, there are composed of two provinces, which is Bohol and Cebu. So discuss na pagkili, hindi nga rin na kung anong ay, ganun sa nagbuwag ay, actually ang Central Visayas is composed of four provinces. Ako na ang Tawingos o Gatong Sikihor. Then discuss na maninigin nila kung mga name, kung ganun sa nagbuwag ay Gatong NIR region o galing region which is Central Visayas. So the major fishing grounds are the Cebu Straits, Bohol Sea, and the Camotes Sea. The coastal features is long coastline with sand beaches and mangroves. It is also rich coral reefs and sea grass beds, and productive fishing grounds in Visayan Sea, Bohol Sea, and Camotes Sea. So according to Pag-asa 2020, the Philippines has 4 mining sites based on the modified Coronas classification. So, kanang color sa Central Visayas ay sa opposite ng apartment ng Bohol Cebu. Yellow na siya o green. So, na-under na siya sa type 3 o type 4, which is ang type 3 is season is not very pronounced and that will be dry from November to April and wet for the rest of the year. So, the type 4, the rainfall more or less evenly distributed throughout of the year. So that is the climate kana
Nakuha man to ana sa gasolina ni green. Di ba sinunta ka naman sa dahang
next
bigas.
is the sea sa Central Visayas. Nasa ay tulo ka so Cebu Strait, the Bohol Sea, and the Camotes Sea. Cebu Strait and its 3 channels, the Mactan, the Olongapo, and the Tinatungan connects the western part of Bohol Sea with the Camotes Sea and separates the islands provinces of Cebu and Bohol. So kanang naay part nga yan na mga nabihan ng Strait. Then, anang green nga that is the Bohol Sea. Bohol Sea is home for a large variety of critters, scuba diving stations, dive charter boats, and hotels that cater to divers. Bohol Sea is a prime tuna and squid fishing area. And then, the Camotes Sea. The Camotes Sea is a small sea within the Philippine archipelago, situated between the Central Visayan and the Eastern Visayan regions. It separates Cebu from Leyte, then is bordered by Cebu to the west, Leyte to the east and north, and the north to the south. So, dire sa Camotes Sea, dire po natin makita ang Ganahong Bank, which is the biggest marine life breeding area. And it is one of the 6 global barriers in the world, ang Ganahong Bank. So, it is rich in marine resources. Next is the major fishing grounds in Central Visayas. We have the Bohol Sea. So, kaning nga kuan is natay bays, dogs, seas, lakes, rivers, direct introduce direct kung asa nakita sa ni nga ng creek. So, first is the Bohol Sea or the Mindanao Sea. So, ang location niya is the south of Bohol, Cebu, Negros. Kanina kaning color green nga dati kayo mga Bohol Sea. So, the case fishes na which dito nakita is we have tuna, mackerel, squid, and sardines. Next is the Camotes Sea, which is located at the east of Cebu, between Cebu and Leyte. And it is rich in sardines, anchovies, and pelagic fish. Next is the north of Bohol, or the Nahon Bank, which is located at the north of Bohol, or in the Camotes Sea. So it is a reef system, and which niya ng species na is ay daghan di overview of the Philippines and rich in fishing grounds. Daghan kayo kasi makita dito mga species na marine. Then next is the Parker Bay sa Cebu. So it is known for local fishing grounds only. And then sa Kilaran Bay sa Bohol, it is also known as the local fishery grounds only. Then Ilotangan ng Ilotangan ng Olongapo channels, which is located in Cebu near to Mactan and Olongapo. It is rich in small pelagic fishes and reef. Next is the Lubog River sa Bohol. So, rich in siya ang aquaculture and small scale fishing. Then, so sa Lubog River, di ay doon sa Bohol na siya ikuan nga agriculture dito. Actually, kanang layo na tilapia dito sa Lubog. So, pag year 2020, kanang kirilisan o tilapia na higang sa Larin nga farm, dito sa
nag-assessment, dito ni Chris.
Step na naman sa objective of scope sa plan.
Next.
Objective ito.
Kanang target species at fisheries production in Central Visayas.
Sa mga.
So, diri makita diri ang mga species nga present na dito Barba o Walaha, peak season. So, nadiri no, diri na ako sa auto na kaya kanang mabasa mo kanang no, example natin kanang sardines is a pelagic fish and it is also known as local name of Gamban.
Press. Sa mga
Kita
press.
siya sa
Sa
Mosquito
planning
and
ba?
Stray sa Oriental at
Sa mga. Kanang.
So, ang peak season din is November to February. So, ang mga target species na makita sa Central Visayas na naging
Ha?
pang tanan, makita siya ang peak season.
Pero pwede na po tingko daan.
Fish, fish, red fish, and fish. Next, is the fishing methods in Central Visayas. So, diri sa Central Visayas, ang gigamit nila ng mga fishing gear or the most commonly used kay ang gill netting. So, gill nets are widely used in Central Visayas for catching sardines, mackerel, and other small pelagic fish. Next is naabot kay hook and tie, trolling, fish traps, and spear fishing. So, mamawa sila sa mga pag-discuss ng agi kay under sa Visayas. Next is, aside from the fishing methods, we have also the aquaculture systems in Central Visayas, which is the seaweed farming. Seaweed farming is common, the Yukima, and Kapapukos. So it is providing a livelihood for coastal communities. And we have also the fish cages. The fish cages and pens are used in milkfish, marbangus, and purple culture in sheltered lakes. So, data yung isang picture na isa post na
Slim.
nag-harvest sila of 850 kilograms sa marbangus.
Kanto din house sa kuan isda.
Madami rin.
Sa buto.
Dapat na natin sa kabali. So we have also fish ponds and oyster farming. Then the traditional fishing is we have baklad or fish coral. Baklad or fish corals are traditional stationary crafts constructed from bamboo and nets still used in design coastal villages. So, daghan na nakada na rin kita natin mga physical fishing. Then next is we have torch fishing or alpacado, and we have also hand fishing or commitment. So next is the economic importance of fisheries in Central Visayas. We have the day ports, markets, products, and distributions. So the K landing sites or fish ports in Central Visayas is we have the Basin Fish Market in Cebu City. The major wholesale hub for Visayan, Samar, and Camotes Productions. Kung sila kayo rin kasi fish market. Then diri sa Tagbilara, diri sa bukod isang sa pinakatayo kay Mangga. Di ka nag-sport diri pero saling Mangga ang isa sa
Apil lang ipog na ba?
Next is the major processing plants or markets. So in Cebu, the main processing plants are related to industries like copper mining, indigo, and wood processing, which will cause processed foods with the passion fish market being a significant seafood processing and distribution hub. The carbon market serving as the primary hub for various goods. And these sites are located near the Cebu Straits, with major processing and market activity concentrated in and around Cebu City. And here in Cebu, Bohol features seafood processing facilities with the EU or Europe approved FPL export building in San Miguel, being a notable example for dried fish export. So, naglato na pag-export ng fish nila na in-export dito sa United States and Canada. And we have also processing of frogs and shellfish. So dapat tayo ka na processing frogs or kanami diha sa omnivore. Then next is the marine protected area. So here are the